Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English channel.
Hi, everyone. Today's topic is the supermarket.
Yes, we will practice English for shopping.
Supermarkets are part of daily life. Let's learn how to talk in English at the supermarket.
Paul, do you like going to the supermarket?
Yes, I do. I go every week.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy bread, milk, and fruit. Apple bread, milk.
Oh, I love fruit too. I like apples and bananas.
I also buy snacks, chips and cookies.
Snacks are tasty. Do you buy vegetables?
Yes. I buy tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce. Carrot, tomato, lettuce.
Great. Vegetables are healthy. Let's stop here and learn some useful phrases. I would like, example, I would like some apples. How much is it? Example, how much is the bread? Where is the, example, where is the milk?
These are very important in the supermarket.
Repeat after us. Together, I would like, how much is it? Where is the,
Now it's your turn.
what do you usually buy at the supermarket?
Write your answer in the comments.
For example, you can write, I usually buy rice and chicken.
Or, I usually buy bread and milk.
Share your shopping list with us. Excuse me, where is the bread?
The bread is on aisle 3.
Thank you. I would like 1 loaf of bread.
Sure. Here you go.
How much is it?
It's $2.
Okay, I'll take it.
See? That is a simple shopping conversation.
Easy and useful for real life.
Let's review today's phrases.
Number 1, I would like.
Number 2, how much is it?
Number 3, where is the.
And we practice supermarket words. Bread, milk, fruit, vegetables, snacks.
Great job, everyone.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
Now you can speak English at the supermarket.
Don't forget to like this video, thumbs up,
And subscribe for more easy English lessons.
write in the comments, what do you buy at the supermarket?
See you next time. Bye!